Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon number 6, Add Comment, for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on the Add Comment button in Google Slides, a box appears where I can type in any information I might need to add for my slide deck. This can be especially useful if I'm collaborating with others on a slide deck. To save my comment, all I have to do is click the yellow comment button. Now I have created a new comment thread. Within a comment thread, I can choose to resolve the discussion, which will hide it but still keep a record of it, or I can click the More Options button and choose to edit, delete, or gain the link to this comment. Gaining the link to a comment can be very useful if I need to use it for reference. Now, an important thing to keep in mind with adding comments to Google Slides is the fact that if I were to go to another slide and to enter the text box, the option to add a comment disappears. Comments apply to an entire slide within a Google Slide deck. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.